guys, welcome back at CLN app. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Sony Linkbuds as left or right earbuds not working. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, you might be wondering here, how do you exactly fix this issue? Well, the thing with your Sony Linkbuds here, they could actually do two ways of fixing this issue, which typically involves you resetting it. So the first method here is by your phone, which in this case, you want to first open up the Sony app on your phone for Samsung or Android devices, and you want to go to your earbud settings section at the very bottom of the app and just select the reset and press OK to confirm. Now this should reset the earbuds and might solve the issue. Now, just in case if you don't have access to the app, you could still try resetting this on the actual device. So you want to place both the earbuds on the case here, or back into the charging case, and you want to close the case and then hold the button on the back of the case for about like 15 seconds. Now you'll hear a click signaling the reset is complete. Now if resetting both didn't work, try using only one earbud at time and repeat the reset process. Now sometimes one earbud can work differently than the other, but yeah, so in this case that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to CLN app. Thank you for watching.